ibamba umthetho ukuba inkosi umoya ongcwele wayengema ngangakithi na
Nkosi yami
okodwa nikhona ukuba inkosi umoya ongcwele wayengemanga ngakithi okodwa bakhona abantu abathi ukuba ebengekho kuJanuwari, ukuba bengekho kuFebruwari, ukuba bengekho kulonyaka, ukuba bengekho nje kuphela ngabe sehlulekile. Ngabe sehlulekile. Ngalezinto na uNkulunkulu engakithi ubani ongamelana nathi uthe ubaba Shabalala, it is indeed the season of giving birth. Uzozala kunobuhlungu okumele udlule kubo kodwa lobo buhlungu lobo obesikhashana lento ozoyizala inkulu, lento ozoyizala abantu bengabuka ubuhlungu odlula kubo kodwa what's coming, it's bigger than what we are, because uNkulunkulu wethu, he is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we can ask or think or imagine. We serve an able God.
Glory to Jesus. Hallelujah.
Yabona ngoba isishisa kanje inkundla. Ngiyabona ukuthi senizotethela the man of God. uNkulunkulu ayethembile ngalombono we-Eagle Mountain Prophetic Ministries. Allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to call upon the founder, the director, the president, the father of many nations. Allow me to call upon. He is Pastor MJ Shabalala. As he ascends the stage,